Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss spread spectrum techniques in wireless communication. It is a technique where the baseband signal is intentionally spread or transmitted over a larger bandwidth than the required bandwidth. The main advantages of spread spectrum techniques are the spread spectrum signals are highly resistant to noise and interference. They are difficult to intercept by unauthentic users. A higher bandwidth utilization efficiency is achieved in spread spectrum method. Different types of spread spectrum techniques are there. However, widely used spread spectrum techniques are direct sequence spread spectrum and frequency hopping spread spectrum. So let us start with direct sequence spread spectrum, where each bit in the original signal is represented by multiple bits in the transmitted signal using a spreading code. For example, data bit 1 can be represented by +1, -1, +1, +1. Similarly, 0 can be represented by -1, +1, -1, -1. Now this random series of +1 and -1 are known as spreading code. So here we will discuss the transmission and reception of DSSS signals. Initially, binary data are modulated using some digital to analog encoding schemes like BPSK or FSK. Here, let us consider a BPSK modulation method. The BPSK modulated signal is given by this expression as shown here, where A represents the amplitude of the signal, dt is equal to 1 to represent bit 1, equal to -1 to represent bit 0, and Fc is the carrier frequency of the signal. This modulated signal is multiplied with a spreading code as shown here, which will generate a signal St given by this expression, which is known as the DSSS signal. Now this signal is being transmitted by using an antenna. In the receiver side, the received signal is multiplied with the same sequence of spreading code, which will result the same modulated signal. This is possible as shown here. When Ct is multiplied with Ct, it results a 1, because when you multiply +1 with +1, it results 1. Similarly, multiplication of -1 with -1 results 1. Now, the BPSK signal is fed to a demodulator to get the binary data. In frequency hopping spread spectrum method, the signal is broadcast over a random series of radio frequencies. To illustrate this, let us consider this figure. Here, x-axis represent the time and y-axis represent the frequencies. Now, in a fixed channel transmission, if say for example f1 is used, then f1 will be used for the whole time. However, in frequency hopping method, if initially say for example f5 is used, then for the next interval f3 may be used, next f7, f4, f2, f8, f6, f1, like that. So here we can see the signal is broadcast over this random series of frequencies. Now let us discuss the transmission and reception of frequency hopping spread spectrum signals. In the transmitter side, initially the binary data are fed to a BPSK or FSK modulator. Here, let us consider a BPSK modulated signal. This signal will be multiplied with a spreading signal given as cosine of 2 pi Fit, where Fi is the frequency of the ith hop. Now, the product of these two signals are represented by a signal Pt, which is given as SDT multiplied by Ct. Now, this can be represented as the A dt cos 2 pi Fct multiplied by cos 2 pi Fit, which can be further represented by this expression. Now, a bandpass filter is used to block this part of the frequency. So thus, the output of the bandpass filter is considered as FHSS signal, which will be transmitted using an antenna. In the receiver side, the received signal is multiplied with the same spreading signal. So this will result a signal PT, which is given as ST multiplied by CT, which can be represented as shown here. Now a bandpass filter can be used to remove this part of the signal so that it results a BPSK modulated signal. Now this BPSK signal is fed to a demodulator circuit to get the binary data. So that was a basic introduction on spread spectrum techniques in wireless communication. In my next video, we will discuss something more on spread spectrum signals, and we will also discuss various properties of spreading code. Thank you.